Happy Monday. I hope you all were able to get outside yesterday, enjoy some beautiful weather, get some energy out, and I'm really hoping that you're ready to learn again this week. For today, we are going to be focusing on the 7's tic-tac-toe board. This is something that should look very familiar to you as we've worked on it in class, but we're going to go over it for some review. This is to help us with our multiples of 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write numbers 1 through 9. I'm going to start over in my top right hand corner and go down. Then I will move over to the next, and I will start at the top, go down, move over to the very last one, start and go down. I'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after I have the first step done, writing down numbers 1 through 9, I'm going to do the second step. This is where it gets a little tricky. We're going to write down numbers 0 through 6. We're going to start with 0 over here, and we'll do 0, 1, and 2. Then below it, we'll start with 2 again, 3, and 4. And then below it, we'll start with 4, 5, 6. This time, I'm going to go just like how you read. When you're reading a book, you start over in the left and you read to the right. I'm going to start at the left. I see the first number is 0, so I'm going to do 0. Cross it out because I used it. Then over here, I have my 4. The next number I need to use is my 1. So I will put the 1 next to the 4, cross it out because I used it. I have 2 left that I have to use. I will put it next to the 1, giving me 21. So when you look at this, think of it this way. 7 times 1 equals 0. 7 times 1 equals 0, 7. 7. Then I'll go to the next one. 7 times 2 equals, boom, 14. Then I'll have 7 times 3 equals, boom, 21. How awesome is that? So going on to my next one, I start with a 2. I'll put it next to the 8, giving me 28. 7 times, right here's 3, so that means this would be 4 equals 28. Cross it out because I used it. Then I have 3. So I have to use my 3, which would give me 35. Right there, 7 times 4, so this would be 7 times 5, and it equals 35. Cross out my 3. Now I have a 4 left to use. Cross it out because I used it. That's 7 times 5. This is 7 times 6 equals 42. And then on to the very last few, I have a 4, so I will use that. If this is 7 times 6, this would be 7 times 7 equals 49. Cross it out because I used it. Move on to my next number, which is a 5. I have 56. 7 times 8 equals 56. Cross it out. My very last one, I have 63. I use my 6. I'll cross it out. If this is 7 times 8, this would be 7 times 9 equaling 63. And there we have our 7's tic-tac-toe board. Again, we should all know this from school, and this is a little bit of a review for the week to help us start off. If you have any questions, any comments, leave a message below and one of the teachers will get back to you. Have a fantastic Monday.